Good morning to all. This is Karthishwari. Want to share the introduction about the embedded system. See the title slide. These are all the examples of embedded system. After seeing this, we may have the curiosity to know about the embedded system. Then what is embedded system? Software which is embedded in the hardware is called embedded system. The forthcoming slide represents the LED blinking in various conditions. In the first example, we want to glow up a LED with a battery. What we will do to glow up a LED with battery? We will connect a resistor in series with a battery and a LED. For that, we want to know the color coding of the LED. Initially, in our school days, we learned the color coding using a shortcut key. B.B. Roy, Great Britain had a very good ways. Nowadays, separate application is there to calculate the color coding. This slide is represent the color coding. In the first case, the supply came from the battery, means LED will be turned on or else it will be off. The next slide represents the LED blinking using the Arduino control. Basically, Arduino is a controller open source software. We are using this software to turning on and off the LED for a particular delay time. This slide is slightly different from the previous one. In this case also we want to glow up a LED, but giving conditions. If we are giving 1, the LED will be on. If you are giving 0, then the LED will be turned off. The next slide represents the Bluetooth controlled LED blinking. By using the Bluetooth app from our mobile, we are turning on and off the LED. In this Bluetooth voice also there to control the LED. By giving on and off command, we can control the LED. The next one is Wi-Fi controlled LED blinking. So for this, we are creating a URL in our program. By typing the URL in the Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox, then the LED will be turn on or off. See the buttons. The buttons will be created like this. By clicking the buttons, we can achieve the conditions turning on and off the LED. The next one is with the help of Google Assistant, we are turning on and turning off the LED. This slide represents the LED blinking conditions using the Google Assistant. Google Assistant in the Google Assistant also we can control the LED using the commands as well as voice. The next updated level of application is IoT controlled LED blinking. Then what is IoT? IoT is known as Internet of Things. That we can monitor the things as well as we can control the things. The graph is showing the graph plotted date and time and how long the graph is on and off. So real-time application purpose, we are using this IoT controlled LED. These types of technologies we will see in the forthcoming session one by one. Thank you all for watching my video. like and subscribe my video. Thank you once again.